Hi sisters, I'm going to go over how to download Zoom onto your computer and how to use Zoom during our call. So right here, this is what it will look like when we email you the Zoom invite. It will have a topic and the time of the call, the meeting URL code, the meeting ID number, and the password. You can use either the URL code or the meeting ID and password to join the Zoom. I'm going to show you how to use the URL code to join the Zoom because I find that is the easiest way to join. If you already have Zoom downloaded and you know how to use it, you can definitely just use the meeting ID and the password to join. So I'm just going to highlight this code, copy it, and then I'm just going to paste at the top of a new tab and then have it launch. And then like it says, if nothing prompts from browser, download and run Zoom. So if you don't have Zoom already downloaded on your computer, nothing's going to happen. And if that's the case, you're going to click on this download and run Zoom. If you already have Zoom on your computer, it's going to pop up with some questions saying, hey, ready to go for your Zoom? So I don't have Zoom downloaded, so I'm going to click on download and run Zoom. And as you see down here, it shows that it is downloading the Zoom package. I'm going to give it some time, then I'm going to click on this Zoom package and it is going to pop up. Let's double click on it. And it's going to pop up with some finishing questions before it can download. Okay, so it's going to look like this when it pops up after you click it. And you're just going to say continue and use this. Install, doesn't matter, either just for you or for all users. Install. Preparing installation. For mine, I have to type in the password for my computer. You may not need to do that, but mine does require this. And then we're going to install the package. Yay, it was successful. Okay, so installation was successful. So we're just going to close this. And this is important. You want to keep it. Oh, it's hiding. Let me bring this down. So you want to click on keep for this. Do you want to move the Zoom installer to the trash? No, you want to keep it. Awesome. Okay, so now we have Zoom downloaded on our computer. And as you can see, it popped up and it says, oh, you have a meeting that you're trying to join. So you can either click join or start that meeting. So I'm going to click join, and it's going to be my meeting ID or personal link name. So this will be the meeting ID number I gave you right here on the email I sent you. This number will change, so don't just use the same number from this tutorial. Oh. Putting that in there. Put your name in here. This says don't connect to audio. I do recommend you leave that unchecked because we want to hear you talk. And this says turn off my video. We also would like to see your face. Of course, if you don't want us to see you, then you can uncheck those too, but I would recommend leaving them just as they are. And then join. Now this one does require a password, so it will probably start, let's see, computer audio, join computer audio. You are using computer audio, awesome, and I have my video. So I can, if you look at the bottom, I can mute myself. That means no one can hear me. Now, we recommend always keeping yourself muted until you have something to say, because any sort of background noise, all of us can hear. So if you're trying to whisper to someone in your room, we can hear that. If someone's banging on the table, we can hear that. So either mute it or unmute it. Stop video. If you just need to stop your video for a second, if I do this, then no one can see me. I can look at the bottom to see how many participants they are and who they are. I can even start a chat. Let's say I wanted to start a chat. Now everyone can see your chat, so it's not going to be a private conversation. And you can also just react. Like if you like what someone says, give it a little clap. And that's a gist for Zoom, okay? But the biggest thing is we do recommend that you guys all stay on mute until you have something you want to share. And once you want to share something, go ahead and just take yourself off of mute by clicking down here. Share it, and we would love to hear it. Okay, we'll see you all soon. Bye.